What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Real Wheel Horsepower. I know it's been a little while. We've been busy working. So this is an FD RX7. It's a 1994 model, straight from Japan, literally fresh off the boat. This one actually is. We haven't done a whole lot to it. We were just testing it out to see what kind of power it makes, make sure the air-fuel ratios are good, etc. It's a single turbo. It's got a Greddy T88 turbo kit basically on it. It's got a V-mount intercooler radiator kit on here. It's got a Sard surge tank fuel system on it, 3-inch exhaust. As far as engine management, it's got an Apex C Power FC with Commander and also a Blitz dual SBC boost controller to control boost. We got it 12 PSI on pump gas, and we're gonna fire her up and see what kind of numbers she makes. Really good numbers, guys. We got 418 and 439 foot-pounds of torque. So 418 horsepower, 439 foot-pounds of torque on pump gas, just 12 PSI, which I think is impressive as It's awesome. It sounds awesome. We're super excited. I feel like this thing will sell super fast. So it is going to be for sale. So look out for it on our website, and that'll do it for another episode of Real Wheel Horsepower.